Hello, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's Wendy here. I'm living in Narberth and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. I'm going to try something different today. What's that lady's name? I was bouncing around with YouTube videos like I do, and there's a lady there called Tina Zinck, Z-I-N-C-K. Now, she did this, and sorry, I'm getting distracted. I'm looking to see if I've pronounced her name right, but I'll put the description in the box below. And what she called it was a 2-stroke 4 split cards. So I'm going to try it. Brave things have never happened before yet. Right, first of all, I've got a piece of A4 cards, and you just want to score now. You don't cut it yet. So now I've got measured at 10.5. Whoops, hang on, get up there. You stay there. There we go. 10.5 centimetres. And then, oh dear me, it's a cold day today. I hope you're all keeping well wrapped up. And then 14.5 centimetres. So that gives us then, come on, wherever you are. Oh dear me. Right, so I've got to do, yes, it's Tina Zinck, Z-I-N-C-K. Absolutely wonderful she is. The cards she produces are just incredible. They really are. Right, so as you can see here now, we have split the A4 piece into 4 pieces. If this goes right, we should end up with 2 cards. If it doesn't, we'll end up with 4 postcards. How's that for a trick, eh? That'd be good. Right, first of all, I'm going to take this... Oh, sorry, didn't show you what I'm using. I got this yesterday, Delicate Petals. I have a few things to do, you know, I've got a few plans for it. But today I'm going to use this one here, and I'm going to use this flower here. So they're the 2 I'm using, and I'll probably use one of the sentiments as well. So first of all, I've already stamped with this, so you don't have to rub it and stamp it and rub it or whatever again. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do the basic card now. I'm not going to colour in and everything because I'm really not too sure where I want to do the colouring yet. So we're going to, what I'll do is I'll decide afterwards, and then I'll put the finished product, as they say, on the YouTube. Oh dear me! Do you know, my laptop. Oh, let me just say this: it doesn't matter if you actually go over the edge of here as well. So if you go one there and one there. Let me get this right now. I don't want to mess it up. Right, so there's 2 there. And I know there's some of you would be able to do a much better job than I am because you've got more experience than I have. But if I just sort of give you the idea, then like I said, it's probably nothing new, but it's a new thing to me. So that's why I decided to do it. And that's going to be squiffy, but don't worry about that. Right, so I've got that. Come off, you. You go sit over there, then I'll clean you in a minute. And I'm going to take these other 2. I'm going to take these over now. Use these 2. Again, oh sorry, didn't tell you. I'm using soft sea foam. I love this colour, absolutely love this colour. So taking 2 of these and then try and do this properly now, haven't I? Now Wendy, just behave yourself, woman. Right, what I did was, I'm just trying not to get into the ink at all. Yeah, that's it. I lined it up with that there, with this sideline here. Isn't it a beautiful colour? And then this one, can you see that one? Which way did I do that one then? That one? Oh well, we should go this way then, if that's what that one wants to do. There we go. It took me ages to find my my chamois, which I have lost again. Why do these things do it? I'm sure they do it just to annoy me. I really do. Oh well, never mind. The show must go on. Now with this, it doesn't matter which way you cut it. You either cut it down there, or you can cut it across there. Well, I'm going to cut it down here. Just put the line. If you line the score line, you can't see that. It's so annoying when you can't see things that I can see. Just line that score line up there. I'm hoping you can see it now. And then make sure everything is pushed up. And don't you cut that there then? No, there, right. So the line, you come back down here. There we go. No, it won't shut for some reason now. Oh, I don't know. Never mind. Right, here we go. Woo! And fold that over like that. And we fold that one over like that. And then I am going to do... Well, if it didn't stick onto there, you wouldn't have had this, would you? Obstreperousness. I cannot stand obstreperousness. Right, now this saying, get it straight to be a good thing, wouldn't it? It says, sometimes something wonderful happens to someone who absolutely deserved every good thing. Oh, I thought that's a lovely one. And what I'm using the archival permanent black ink pad, just in case I want to do a wash or something over it. Oh no, I haven't stamped with this stamp before. I only got this actually the other day, so it's all very new to me. Stamp that again. What happens is they put like a little film over the stamps, and you've heard me saying it over and over and over again. So now they put and for it to stamp nice, you need to sort of wear that. Not wear it out. No, it's not wear it out. You know, just rub it off. Like give it a bit of a key, isn't it? Right, now then, with this one, you put this in the middle, she says. Don't need to push it too hard. Just a little bit of pressure on there. On all of it. That one. And this this black ink will actually colour your card because it's waterproof. I don't think we can get it. Might have something that we can use, but then when you look at it, that's not too bad. Having a black, you can see it better then, can't you? So I'm going to do that just the same here. Ah, no, I'm not seeing there's a bit of black there. Oh, dear. There we go. That's always a lovely saying, isn't it? Sometimes something wonderful happens to someone who absolutely deserves every good thing. Oh, I love that. And there we go. So now you've got two cards done at the same time. Now, I hope you enjoyed it and you can understand which way I was going with this. And like I said, I'm sure you can come up with a lot better. I mean, there's Esther with, not Esther, Ruth, Artful Stamping. I mean, the things that she does, she could do this, but, and it would look absolutely gorgeous. But for me, I'm quite happy with it as now. I might just do a bit of colouring later. I don't know, because I do rather look like it looking like that. So thank you for putting up with me, and I shall see you all again very soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.